Salut tout le monde.
Hey everyone and welcome to French Circles. Today, we'll be exploring French verbs that look alike but mean different things. If you're learning French, you've probably come across verbs that look almost the same, but don't behave the same way at all. Today, I'm going to help you avoid some very common mistakes by explaining the difference between 4 pairs of confusing French verbs, in simple terms and with clear examples. Let's jump right in.
Sentir versus ressentir.
Both of these verbs relate to feelings or sensations, but they're used differently.
Sentir.
To feel or sense something physically, or to smell. It can also describe a general feeling.
Je sens le parfum.
I smell the perfume.
Il sent la fatigue.
He feels tired.
Je sens que tu es triste.
I feel that you're sad.
Ressentir.
To feel a deep internal emotion. It's always followed by a noun, usually an abstract one.
Je ressens de la joie.
I feel joy.
Elle ressent de la colère.
She feels anger. Quick tip. If it's an emotion and followed by a noun like fear, love, or gratitude, use.
Ressentir.
For physical or general sensations, use.
Sentir. Voir versus regarder.
These are both about your eyes, but your intention is what matters.
Voir.
To see. It's passive, just like noticing something without trying.
Je vois un oiseau.
I see a bird.
Il voit ses amis tous les week-ends.
He sees his friends every weekend.
Regarder.
To watch or to look at. It's active, you're doing it on purpose.
Je regarde un film.
I'm watching a movie.
Elle regarde son iPad.
She's looking at her iPad. Quick tip. If your eyes are doing something on purpose, use.
Regarder. Entendre versus écouter.
Both involve your ears, but once again, it's all about intention.
Entendre.
To hear. Passive. The sound reaches your ears without effort.
J'entends du bruit.
I hear some noise.
Tu entends la pluie?
Do you hear the rain?
Écouter.
To listen. Active. You're focusing on the sound.
J'écoute de la musique.
I'm listening to music.
Elle écoute attentivement son professeur.
She listens carefully to her teacher. Quick tip. You can hear without trying, but you listen on purpose.
Savoir versus connaître.
They both mean to know, but they apply to different kinds of knowledge.
Savoir.
To know a fact, a skill, or a piece of information.
Je sais nager.
I know how to swim.
Tu sais son adresse?
Do you know his address?
Connaître.
To be familiar with someone, someplace, or something.
Je connais cette chanson.
I know this song.
Elle connaît bien Paris.
She knows Paris well. Quick tip. If it's followed by a noun, it's often.
Connaître.
If it's a clause or a skill, it's.
Savoir.
Try to use a new verb today. And if you'd like a part 2 with more sentences, let me know in the comments.
Merci et à bientôt.
If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you next time.